Let's solve one more question. Now guys, in this question he is asking, if 3 moles of nitrogen reacts with 10 mole of hydrogen, then how many moles of ammonia will form? Let's solve it. And the solution will be, now stick to your basics. We have to follow the steps of stoichiometry. First we will write the skeletal equation, right? So the reaction will be nitrogen is reacting with hydrogen and giving us ammonia, right? Now we have to balance this reaction. So N2 plus thrice H2 will give us twice of NH3. Now what we have to do, we have to use the ratio of the moles, that is 1:3:2 to find out the answer. Let's write the initial number of moles. So initial moles. Nitrogen, the initial moles are 3. For hydrogen, the initial moles are 10. And since the reaction is not started till now, the number of moles of ammonia is 0. Now what we will do, we will find the limiting reagent first. For that we have to divide their moles by that respective stoichiometric coefficients. So to find out that ratio, the ratio is 3 divided by the stoichiometric coefficient of nitrogen is 1 and 10 divided by 3, that is 10 by 3, and this is the ratio. Let's solve it. So it will be 3 and this is equal to 3.33. So which is bigger and which is smaller? 3.33 is bigger than 3, right? It means that nitrogen is the limiting reagent. Means the amount of ammonia that will form will depend on the amount of nitrogen we have, right? So again, writing the chemical equation, we have N2 plus thrice H2, it will give us ammonia, right? The initial moles are 3 and 10. Now since nitrogen is the limiting reagent, therefore the final number of moles will be, nitrogen will be completely consumed in this reaction, therefore it is 3 minus 3, right? So 1 mole of nitrogen needs 3 moles of hydrogen. Therefore, 3 moles of nitrogen will need 9 moles of hydrogen. Therefore, out of this 10, 9 will be consumed. Now let's talk about ammonia. 1 mole of nitrogen gives 2 moles of ammonia. 3 moles will give us 6 moles. So the initial was 0 and now it is 6. So this is the final answer, and the left amount of nitrogen is 0, left amount of hydrogen is 1, and amount of ammonia that is formed is equal to 6 mole. So that's how we can solve these kind of problems. Let's solve another question.